How to create a stacked waterfall chart in Excel. Waterfall chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of categorical data to create a waterfall chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a waterfall chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a waterfall chart with 3 data columns as follows. 2 columns containing categorical data. 1 column containing numerical data. Important: waterfall chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on ChartExpo add-in to select it. Search for waterfall chart, then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Waterfall chart is created successfully. Now we will create the chart manually. Click on the Create Chart Manually button. Select the sheet holding your data from Worksheet Name drop-down. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Y-axis column equals amount. Select Bridge column equals bridge. Select Stack column equals stack. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in start row and end row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pin to edit the properties, then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Click on the Label and Connector Properties pin to edit the properties. Click on the Bridge Label section to set bridge label above X-axis. Click on the Label and Connector Properties pin to edit the properties. You can reset the properties. Click on the Label and Connector Properties pin to edit the properties. Click on the Label section to show the total. You can also prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Stack Label Font Style section to edit the font style. Click on the Axis Left Properties pin to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Settings button. Click on the Sorting section to sort the order. Click on the Settings button. Click on the Reset to reset applied properties. Click on the Legend Properties pen to change the color of the bar. Change the color of all bars. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe our channel.